What's up guys, QFC here. I'm back with another fan. This is a SMC UF52. I'm not sure what year it is. I got it off Facebook Marketplace for $15. I really like the light kit on it. It has beveled. So let's start. That's not matching because, yeah, whatever. So yeah, I got this mainly because of the price. $15, it was a steal. I'm not sure what year it is, and I'm not sure the motor size, but I know the motor is bigger than a 153 because it literally takes up like that much of the motor housing. So no, this is a hugger from, like, it's like you can't put it down right on it, pretty much. I can feel the breeze from here. You know, it's a pretty nice fan. It's not the fastest fan in the world, but it does blow a nice amount of air. Let's go to high speed. So yeah, it's decently fast, but the airflow makes up for it. Oh, my bad. And I can get my airflow. Okay, I'm gonna check it one more time. And for SMC, surprisingly, it doesn't really have any bearing noise. So that shocked me. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Peace.